Nikubalie niseme this before I turn to Kusini. The politics of the country. Because I've seen many attacks to the Secretary General of ODM, Senator Sifuna. All of you know that Senator Sifuna is the Secretary General of ODM, is the official spokesperson of the party. I want to call upon all those other people outside there who are making noise. Leave Senator Sifuna alone. He speaks the mind of the party. This is important to know. He speaks the mind of the party. And we are not yet there. We'll give a position. I know therefore that those ones who believe that Baba is going to AU, now they want to misbehave. They want to become sellouts, tumbocrats. Relax, guys. We are in charge. The party is strong. Yes, we are working with the national government of Mheshimiwa William Ruto, but I want to tell you, our spokesperson who speaks what we stand for, who speaks the thinking of the party, is Senator Sifuna, who is a Secretary General. Is the only person who is authorized to talk on behalf of the party. We will give direction in the near future because we are meeting just to call people to order. We are supporting the national government through the people we gave Mheshimiwa William Ruto. And I want to repeat, we are not in government. We have only sent people we call expertise to government to help to establish or to make sure the government of Mheshimiwa William Ruto delivers. Any other good citizen would want the government of the day to deliver. And exactly, we are those responsible citizens who want to see our country moving forward. If we have an issue with Ruto, we'll have it in 2027. For now, let us pray for him. Let us pray for him. God give him good health. He delivers to his mandate. Therefore, we'll charge him at the time of the ballot. Nganchiri mkuu wa nevi mtevyeke kusini.